this is called the VR simulator. Now, if you see in the books and all, there are a lot of articles are coming now regarding VR simulation. Not only in welding, it is coming for driving purpose, painting purpose, and aircraft driving also. You can. There is a big simulator is there in HAL. That is a 20-30 crores rupees. That simulator is there. So what is the purpose of this simulator is, see, now you have seen the arc welding, no? If you want to explain, know about this, you have to physically spend the plate, electrode, if it is TIG welding, MIG welding, gases, power, everything, you have to spend it. So the learning process, we are spending a lot of money, okay? Now in this process, what is coming now? Virtual reality simulator. VR simulator or augmented reality. There are two type of simulation is there. The virtual reality simulation is, you see here, this is a headset. If you put this headset, we will get into an environment like this. Okay. See here now. If I put this, I will get this. The same thing will come in here. Okay. There is a plate is there, table is there.
2 plates.
Plates is there. 2 plates are there, welding machine, and the cylinders are there. Okay, that is the actual workshop environment. You can see here. Everything is you can see here. All this workshop environment will come here. You can see the flooring, everything. So then, for that, if you hold this other one, you will feel that the reset arch will come here. Okay. Then you can just go to near to that. Okay, you can go on. If you touch on that area, physically there is no touch. If you touch here, the arc will be created. Then you have to progress in this straight line. This is a horizontal welding. Okay. So horizontal welding, if you want to adjust the height, you can physically adjust. According to your height, you are shifting. No, like that you can shift it.
Let's see.
You can say here, see here. Morning I told you, 1G, 2G, 3G and all like this. Straight.
Right.
So material you can select aluminium, MS, SS, anything, plate it. Joint type, this is a butt joint, lap joint, corner, this is also lap joint. Positions, okay. They downhanded, horizontal, vertical, and then overhead. This is pipe, 1G, 2G, 6G, 5G, 6G. Like this, and then plate thickness also. 0.1 mm, 1.6, 3.2, 4.8, 6.4, like that you can study it. So now you have come to this GMAW. Before coming to that, we can select the process also. TIG welding also we can select. I think that's what he has done it. If you want, once again we will do it. Okay. So that one, anything you can select it. Suppose a pipe select करो, pipe select करो. अभी देखिए pipe portion. अभी pipe आ गया. Okay. So now you can go on to this welding. Okay. अभी plate select हो गया. Vertical plate. So now he can do the welding on this place. Demo करो. See, height adjustment, you can do it. Plate. Now, what is the important? That stick out distance. Stick out distance and the travel speed. How many mm per minute? Okay. And the work angle and the travel angle. Okay. See, the 4 parameters are required for any welding, good welding. Okay. One is the stick out this distance. Okay, stick out distance. Then that is called the gap. Okay. And what speed we are progressing? Okay. He has to progress only within this limit. If it is going higher side, it is wrong. This is low, also not accepted. Okay. And the work angle, this angle, how much it is? Travel angle. So these 4 parameters will be displayed here. Online you can correct it. See now you can see here, this range it is okay. The stick out, okay. And now it is finished.
Right.
You stopped there. stop the machine and then see here,
ತೊಡು.
calculate. Wait.
2 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಹಾಂ.
Now,
ಹಾಂ. Right.
Abhi.
ಹಾಂ.
So what are all these score? 89 is the score. Yes, passed. That means work angle is 100% correct. Travel angle 88%. There is some problem in the 12%. Path is 84%. Stick out 95%. Speed is 88%. So overall, his score is 89. Quality of the welding also. Bead uniformity, depth of penetration, porosity, spatters, heat effector zones, inclusions, all these things, some marks will come based on the what is called the bead. Karab, welding karo, fatapat karo, इसी में same है.
Retry करके.
हाँ. अब ये थोड़ा खराब, हाँ? Fast इधर उधर करो. हाँ इधर उधर, fast जाए.
तो फास्ट स्पीड
इधर उधर जाए, बाहर जाइए, अंदर घुसा हो, कुछ भी करो, एक डिफेक्ट होना चाहिए. हाँ ऐसे करके, हाँ चलो ऊपर चलो. So now he is a good trainer. His speed is totally 96% out, 4 only, and stick out. These things still he has maintained. So 56% is score. Okay. By practicing, so that one point of time you can maintain a good stick out, good travel angles. Okay, then your heart steadiness, hand steadiness will come. Then if I put you in the actual job, at least some 50% of the material you can save it. Okay, lot of research, I myself have done lot of research on that. 30 to 50% of the material saving you can do it. Okay. That is a huge amount. Okay. Otherwise, if you make one small plate and do a welding, that plate is waste. Filler rod is also waste. Electricity is also waste. Okay. Now, if you do this after 80%, 90% reaching up, so then we can do it.